Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life. You're once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. In today's lecture I will talk about why English is important. Why throughout the world people are busy to learn English. Why they are interested. So in this lecture we have so many reasons that people are learning English throughout the world. If you haven't subscribed my channel, so first subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's begin. So here the question is why English is important. Many people throughout the world, people are asking that why people are learning English. So English is very important for everyone in today's society. Here in Pakistan, I can speak 3 languages. We have so many languages here, but I can speak three languages. The first language is my native language, Pashto. And our national language is Urdu. And our official language is English. So here in Pakistan, these 2 languages important. Urdu and English. But throughout the world, English is very much important. So the first reason we have is international language. English is international language. So why we call international? International means it works throughout the world. For example, if you go to China and you cannot speak Chinese, so you can talk in English with them. They can understand English. If they are not good speaker of English, but at least they can understand your message. You can convey a message to them. So if you go to Saudi Arabia and you don't know Arabic, so you can talk to them in English. They can understand your message. If you go to somewhere else where the people are not native, if you go to India and you don't know Hindi, so you can talk to them in Urdu as well as in English. They can understand your message. The communication occur. They can get you. They can get the meaning. So it is international language. Throughout the world, people understand English. If they are not able to understand it fully, but a little bit, they can get your message and you can communicate to them. The second reason is it is the language of research and experiment. It is the language of research and experiment. If you made your research in Urdu or in Pashto, and if you made experiment in other language, so people are not able to understand it, to read your research or experiment. If you change your research or your experiment to English language, then throughout the world people are trying to study your research, to study your experiment, and they can get knowledge easily. So it is the language of computer and mobile phone. In today's world, if you don't know the English language, you cannot write in MS Word, you cannot type a letter, you cannot type an application, you cannot do your research. So it is the language of computer. Without English, you cannot use your computer. It is the language of mobile phone. In today's world, smartphones are with everyone hands. If they are not literate, if they didn't know English, so they cannot use mobile phone in a good way. So for mobile phones, for computer, for research, for experiment, you have to understand English language, and it is international language. I told you, throughout the world you can convey your message. Your communication occur there. What is communication? Communication means to convey your message. If a person gave a message and the receiver receive it and understand it, so then communication occur. So here it is the language of science. in today's world. So most of the researches, most of the experiment, most of the books have designed by European countries. They are very much developed nowadays. They are doing researches, they are doing experiments, they are making medicine. They are very much developed. If you want to be a good scientist, you must know English language, because all the books are in English language. If you are trying your best to learn good researches and good experiments, you have to have a good command over English. Without English, you cannot get message. If you are going to study chemistry, biology, physics, you have to learn science. If you have to learn English language. Without English language, you cannot learn science. For science, you have to understand English. Got it? Another reason is, it is the language of examination here in Pakistan. I don't know about other countries. I think so it is also in India and Bangladesh. Your examination will be taken in English language. If you understand a thing in a good way, but your English is not strong enough, so you cannot get good marks or good scores in the examination. You must understand English language. You must know English language. For taking good grades, for getting good grades, you have to understand English language. If a person is very much he is a good learner, he understands experiment in an easy way, but he is not able to write it in English, so he will not get good marks. So for that, you must understand English language. So make opportunity. It is the best reason of English language. Why English language is important? For making opportunity. So most of the people are not getting good jobs here in Pakistan, in India, and Bangladesh, and other countries as well. So they are going to different countries for getting good jobs. So when they go to Canada, and they cannot speak English, so they cannot find any job there. If they go to Australia and they didn't know about English, they cannot get a good job. Even if they go to Saudi Arabia or Dubai, so you can get a job easily. You can make your opportunity throughout the world. So for these, because of these reasons, we have so many, but I highlighted just few of them. So because of these reasons, you have to learn English. English is very much important in our country as well as throughout the world. You have to learn English. And if you have any question regarding this lecture, so you can ask in comment section. And once again, subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. And also share my video with your friends. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.